One thing I want to ask you about is how do you divide up responsibilities within the company as far as, obviously I think leasing is probably pretty self-explanatory. You have your leasing agents, but then what else? Some companies might be a portfolio management where there was one person that's responsible for everything and they know everything, or other companies really specialize and have different departments. So what do you guys do?
Sure. So we're still a small company looking to grow and would love to be at a point even in a year or two from now when I can come back and talk to you about all the different departments that we have within our company. But where we have gone is first we created a position to oversee our leasing process, and that started pretty small for us. It was just finding somebody dependable to show up and do the showings for us along the way, and she's really proven herself now, so she's taken over a lot more responsibility. And then from there, we're looking at maintenance and having a dependable person to take the inevitable calls that come in the middle of the night, or there are emergency repairs that come up or that assist you on turning your units. And then the piece that we focused on after that was kind of our back office work. So all of our accounting, all of our reconciliations, anything to do with bookkeeping, that's what we've offloaded. And so you want to make sure that one, that's done right, but then, and there's kind of two audiences of people I would speak to here. One would be how you evaluate it, so making sure that all this is accounted for as you look for property managers. But then to other property managers just getting started, what I know I have to tell myself a lot is it can be easy to fall into the trap of, okay, I just want to do all these things myself and get them taken care of. But you always have to look at the highest and best use of your time. And so it becomes then, all right, if I'm able to hire somebody to take care of this, what else does that free me up to do specifically as it means for focusing on the growth of my business?
Yeah. So then what is your role in the company? It's kind of going backwards a little bit in our conversation, but then how do you fit in that?
Sure. So working for yourself, you have a hand in just about every department. So I am involved along the way. I'm not going and doing showings anymore, but working with our showing director closely. We speak almost every day just about any number of things, units that we're turning over, working with contractors who are taking care of various repairs for us. And then we've done a lot of work, as I alluded to earlier, on streamlining our accounting process. And we have somebody who's hired on now to take care of that. So where I'm trying to spend more and more of my time is we're still looking to acquire. We are looking to also build out our third-party management services. But I try to spend my time either looking for deals around the Twin Cities or looking for potential customers to grow our business with.
Okay, wonderful.
Want to hear more on this topic? Click the link below for the full episode of Maximizing Your Property Value.